If you are a new student watching the video because your friend recommended it, I recommend you to subscribe to ANC YouTube channel. Subscribe to ANC YouTube channel and click on the bell notification so that click on bell notification to get the class updates. To get the class updates. Right? We'll start the class in another 1 minute. Right? So I think another important class. Today in this class, there are few pending topics in reminders which we'll cover right now. Pending topics in reminders. What are all the topics? Pending topics in reminder. That is problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n, and when the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other. These two topics are pending in reminder based concept. I'll also discuss Chinese remainder theorem. Few questions pending. Chinese remainder theorem. One more application. What all the things that we revision? What all the things that we discussed? We discussed in session number 3. In session number 3, Chinese remainder theorem. Chinese remainder theorem. Chinese remainder theorem is used. Chinese remainder theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. When the denominator is a composite number. Chinese remainder theorem states, write the composite number as a product of coprimes. As a product of coprimes. As a product of coprimes. We have discussed various approaches how to eliminate incorrect answer options. How to eliminate incorrect answer options. One method which discussed. Then we discussed how to frame the equations using product of two coprimes and get the answers. We also discussed another important application from Fermat's theorem. That is any single non-zero digit. Any single non-zero digit written p minus 1 times. Written p minus 1 times is always divisible by p. Is always divisible by p if p is a prime number not equivalent to 2, 3 and 5. These are the concepts which we discussed in session number 3. Without wasting a time, another 90 minutes of non-stop problem solving. 90 minutes of non-stop problem solving. Now see here. Which question? This question we solved it. Now see here. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Read the question. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 36. Solution. Chinese remainder theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. So it is written as 4 into 9. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 4 19s are 76. Remainder 2. So 4 we got 4a plus 2. 9. 9 what I will do is I will write these number like this. 1, 1, 2, 3. Whatever it is written horizontally, I will write it vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is nothing but sum of the digits. Already we discussed. If you do the digits in any order, sum will not same. So let us do digital sum. If you see 1, it is 1. 1 plus 2, it is 3. If you observe, these is nothing but plus 2. D is nothing but plus 3. D is plus 4. D is plus 5. D is plus 6. D is plus 7. And it is plus 8. And it is plus 8. D is nothing but plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7 and plus 8. Digital sum is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 6 plus 3, 9 out. 21 plus 15, 76, 36 out. 36 out. 28 digital sum is 1. 10 digital sum is 1. Here also it is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So sum of the digits is 3. So it is 4a plus 2 equivalent to 9b plus 3. 4a plus 2 equivalent to 9b plus 3. It is nothing but 4a equivalent to 9b plus 1. So 4a equivalent to 8b plus b plus 1. 8b plus b plus 1. These divisible by 4. These divisible by 4. This should be divisible by 4. B minimum is 3. B minimum is 3. So if it is 3, 9 3s are 27 plus 3. Answer for this question is 30. Answer for this question is 30. Again see this question, sir. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 1, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 36. 36 is a composite number. Composite number can be written as a product of coprimes. So I wrote this number as 4 into 9. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 4 19s are 76. Remainder is 2. 4a plus 2. 9. Write down vertically 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 digital sum is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1, 2, 3 is 6. If there is an addition of 2 here, there is an addition of 3. It will keep increasing. Addition of 4, addition of 5, addition of 6, addition of 7, addition of 8. 36 is sum of the digits 9. 15 plus 21 sum of the digits 9. 6 plus 3 sum of the digits 9. 1, 1, 1. Remaining is 3. 4a plus 2 equivalent to 9b plus 3. 4a equivalent to 9b plus 1. 4a is 8b plus b plus 1. These divisible by 4. These divisible by 4. B minimum should be 3. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3. 9 3s are, how you got 30? I am substituting here. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3. Sum of the digits is 30. Good question which says that addition of digits can be done individually or a group of 2 digits or a group of 3 digits and it continues. Answer will not change. Answer will not change. I hope this idea is clear to you. 7th one over. Now we have to discuss a concept. Please write down another model. Another model. When numerator and denominator are not coprime to each other. Are not coprime to each other. When numerator and denominator are not coprime to each other. When they are not coprime to each other. First we will discuss, I think it is model 10 or model 11. When they are not coprime to each other. Concept. 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Positive remainder is 1. Because here 7 and 2 are coprime to each other. HCF of 2, 7 is 1. Suppose if I do 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4. 4 and 14 both are even numbers. Even numbers cannot be coprime to each other. If the numerator and denominator are not coprime to each other, the method is 14 is 2 into 7. 4 is 2 into 2. Take the factor common out. Factor common out. Write it separately. 7 divided by 2, remainder 1, and remultiply. Take the factor common out and remultiply. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. In bracket, write down. Take the factor common out. Take the factor common out. Do it for coprimes. Do it for coprimes. And then remultiply. And then remultiply. And then remultiply. Take the factor common out. Do the answer for coprimes and remultiply. Take the factor common out. Find out the coprimes and remultiply. 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4, 7 by 2. The basic difference is 2 and 7 are coprime to each other. 4 and 14 are not coprime to each other. 2 into 7, 2 into 2. 2 is taken out. 7 divided by 2 is 1. Take the factor common out. Put it in bold letters, sir. Take the factors common out. Take the factors common out and remultiply. Take the factors common out and remultiply. Take the factors common out and remultiply. 2 into 7, 2 into 2. 2 is taken out. 7 by 2 is 1 and remultiply. Examples. Please take 5 to 6 examples, practice problems. Then we will solve exercise problems. Then we will solve exercise problems. Examples. Examples. First example. 2 power 36. 2 power 36 divided by 6. 2 power 36 divided by 6. 2 and 6 are not coprime to each other. Make them coprime. These 6 is 2 into 3. 2 power 36 by 2 is 2 power 35 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder 2. 2 is for 2 power 35. But I require for 2 power 36. Another 2 is multiplied. 2 2s are 4. 2 power 36 by 6. 6 is 2 into 3. 2 power 35 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 2. 2 is for 2 power 35. But I want the answer for 2 power 36. Multiply by 2. Take the common factor out and multiply again. Second question. 3 power 120 divided by 12. 3 power 120 divided by 12. This is nothing but remainder of 3 power 120 divided by 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So this is nothing but remainder of 3 power 119 divided by 4. 3 power 119 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 negative remainder. Positive remainder is 3. 3 is for 3 power 19. But I want for 3 power 120. Extra 3 needs to be written. Answer is 3 3s are 9. Answer is 3 3s are 9. Three threes are 9. Third question. 5 power 200 divided by 15. 5 power 200 divided by 15. This is nothing but 5 power 200 divided by 3 into 5. 5 power 200 by 5 is 5 power 199. 5 power 199 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder 2. 2 I got the answer for 5 power 199. I want it for 5 power 200. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. I hope everybody is clear with these three examples. If it is clear to you, kindly reply it in the live chat, clear, 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 so that I can take the practice problems. What is the concept in these? When the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other, not co-prime to each other, what is the concept? Make them co-prime, multiply the factor again. Make them co-prime, multiply the factor again. 2 power 36 by 6, it is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 power 36 by 2 is 2 power 35 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder 2. 2 into 2, 4. Everybody kindly reply. Kindly reply. We'll start from basics, then intermediate, then advanced level. Everybody, I hope it is clear. Right? Vaishnavi, for you, 5 power 200 by 15. 15 is 5 into 3. 5 power 200 by 5 is 5 power 199 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 2. 2 is for 5 power 199. Question is 5 power 200. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. In case if you missed the previous classes, please watch the previous 3 sessions on reminders. It should be extremely clear to you. Next, now we will solve the practice problems. First one, reminder 1, 2 power 96 is divided by 96. 96 is nothing but 2 power 5 into 3. This is nothing but 96 minus 5 is 91. 2 power 91 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder 2. 2 is for 2 power 91. But I want the question for 2 power 96. Extra 2 power 5 is there. 32 into 2 is 64. 32 into 2 is 64. Kabir, after the class, please watch the problem again. You will get a clarity. Right? I do not want to help for the things which you can do it on your own. Second question. 5 power 87 divided by 15. 5 power 87 divided by 15. 15 is 5 into 3. So, this is nothing but a remainder of 5 power 86 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. But 1 is for 5 power 86. I want it for 5 power 87. Extra 5 will come. Answer for this question is 5. 5 power 87 by 15. 15 is 5 into 3. So this will become 5 power 86 by 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 1 is for 5 power 86. I want it for 5 power 87. Second problem. Third problem. Reminder 1. 8 power 643. 8 is nothing but 2 cube power 643. 132. 132 if I factorize it. 2 power 266 are 132. 2 33s are 66. 3 11s are 33. So this is nothing but 2 cube into 33. 4 33s are 132. So these are nothing but a remainder of 2 power 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 6 3s are 19. 2 power 1929 divided by 2 square into 33. This is remainder of 1929 minus 2, 1927 divided by 33. Divided by 33. These are nothing but remainder of 2 power 5 power. 5 3s are 15, 42. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. 2 square divided by 33. 32 divided by 33 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 4. Negative remainder minus 4. Positive remainder 29. 29 is for 2 power 1927. But I want the answer for 1929 into 2 square. 29 into 4. Answer for this question is 116. Answer for this question is 116. Listen carefully to every problem. 8 is 2 cube power 643. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 2 power 1929 divided by 2 square into 33. 1929 minus 2 is 1927. 2 power 1927 divided by 33. Which power of 2? When divided by 33, I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 2 power 5. 5 goes how many times? 5 3s are 15. 5 8s are 42. 5 5s are 25. 2 square. 32 by 33 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 4. Positive remainder is 29. Positive remainder 29 for 2 power 1927. I want for 2 power 1929 into 4. 29 into 4. Answer for this question is 116. I hope it is clear. 2 times I have explained. Fourth problem. Fourth one. 2 power 7 power 26 into 5 power 83. 7 power 26 into 5 power 83 divided by 100. 100 is nothing but 4 into 5 square. 4 into 5 square. So this becomes 7 power 26 into 83 minus 2 is 81 divided by 4. I hope it is clear. 4 2s are 8. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 5 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. Positive remainder is 1. I got the answer 1. 1 is for this number. But I want the answer for this number. Extra 5 square is present. 1 into 25. Answer for this question is 25. Answer for this question is 25. When the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other, when they are not co-prime to each other, make them co-prime to each other. Get the answer and re-multiply the factor which is taken out. Re-multiply the factor which is taken out. I hope it is clear. Third and fourth problem. I hope it is clear. Fifth problem. Now remaining all are easy. These nothing but 3 power 37 divided by 12. 12 is 4 into 3. This is 3 power 36 divided by 4. 3 power 36 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power even is even 1. But I want it for 3 power 37. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 power 37 by 4 into 3. 3 power 36 by 4. 4 1s are 4. Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 1 is for 3 power 36. Another is 3 power 37. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. I hope fifth question is clear. Sixth question. Very, very good question. Very, very good question, sir. Very, very good question. Most of the students thought that this question is difficult, but actually it is easy if you know this concept. 7 power 612 minus 6 power 612. 7 power 612 minus 6 power 612. 7 power 612 minus 6 power 612. 1118. I need to find out some factor R for 1118 in the question. Now see, these are nothing but 7 cube power 204 minus 6 cube power 204 minus 6 cube power 204. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. If n is an even number. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. Why it is so? A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. If you observe, because the power is 2, a power n minus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. If n is an even number, this can be written as a plus b into 7 cube plus 6 cube. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a plus b. This is an odd number. Odd power any number, odd number. This is an even number. Odd minus even is an odd number. Odd minus even is an odd number. Odd number 6 is an even number. Odd plus even is an odd number. So remaining number will be odd. Remaining number will be odd. I hope you understood why I wrote like this. So 7 cube power 204 minus 6 cube power 204. A power n minus b power n. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. So this is 7 cube plus 6 cube into something. 7 is an odd number. 6 is an even number. Odd minus even is odd. Odd plus even is odd. Odd into odd is an odd number. Odd into odd is an odd number. Odd into odd is an odd number. I will write like this. 7 power 612 minus 6 power 612. These are nothing but 7 cube plus 6 cube into odd number. These are nothing but 7 cube power 204 minus 6 cube power 204. A power n minus b power n, it is divisible by a plus b. Why am I writing like this? These are nothing but 7 cube plus 6 cube into an odd number divided by 1118 is 2 into 559. 2 into 559. 7 cube is 343. 6 cube is 216. So it is 559. It is 559. 559 cancel. Any odd number divided by 2 is 1. Because it is cancelled, I have to re-multiply again. Answer for this question is 559. Answer for this question is 559. Answer for this question is 559. Just an idea of writing 7 power 612 minus 6 power 612 as 7 cube plus 6 cube into odd. This and this are cancelled. Odd number divided by 2. Any odd number divided by 2, answer remainder will be 1. 7 divided by 2, remainder 1. 13 divided by 2, remainder 1. I hope it is clear. Next. Answer is 559. After this, you don't need to refer any book on reminders. If you are writing your own notes, this will be extremely clear to you. Right? Next one. 17 factorial divided by 32. 17 factorial is 17 into 16 into 15 and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 32. Divided by 32. 16 2s are 32. 32 into any number when you divide by 32, answer will be 0. 32 into any number when you divide by 32, remainder will be 0. 16 2s are 32. 32 into any number when you divide by 32, remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat. Is this model clear to you? Is this model very clear to you? Clear to all the students? Is this model clear to all the students? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Is this model clear to all the students? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Everybody kindly reply, so that I will go to the next step. After my class is over, you don't need to refer any book for a conceptual understanding on the topic which I decided. Take a video, download that video if it is public, neatly keep it in desktop while going to the college. While going from one place to another place, leave it. Very unfortunate thing is, from tomorrow onwards, our live classes will be made private. Will be made private. I told my technical team, probably if the class is 2 hours, 30 minutes will be made available after one day. 30 minutes will be made available after one day. Full class will be available only to an enrolled students. Only to an enrolled students. Right? I hope it is clear. 17 factorial divided by 32. 17 into 16 into 15 and so on up to 1 divided by 32. 16 2s are 32. I will explain this problem once again. Reminder 1, 7 power 612 minus 6 power 612 divided by 1118, which is 2 into 559. This is nothing but power is an even number. 7 cube power 204 minus 6 cube power 204 divided by 2 into 559. Power is an even number. So this can be written as 7 cube plus 6 cube into an odd number divided by 2 into 559. Right? A power n minus b power n. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a plus b. A plus b is 7 cube plus 6 cube. Right? Odd minus even is odd. Odd plus even is odd. Odd into odd, it is an odd number. These cancelled. Odd divided by 2, 1. 559 is cancelled. Right? 559 is cancelled. Why I took it as odd is because I want to take the factor of 118, 1118 from the numerator. This is the idea. Factor of 1118 from the numerator. Factor of 1118 from the numerator. That's the entire last model in reminders. Last model in reminders. Model number 11 or 12. I think it is model number 11. Model number 11 in reminders. Concept. Problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. A power n plus or minus b power n. Extremely important model. Did you thought that there are 11 models in reminders and everything? First key point. Key points. First one. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a power n is minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b as long as it is a natural number. Is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. If n is an even number, definitely it will be divisible by a minus b. In addition to a minus b, it is also divisible by a plus b. Example, a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If you observe, n could be 2, or n could be 3. It is always divisible by a minus b. It is always divisible by a minus b. It is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. Praveen, pen, change it. A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. First key point. Second key point. Please write down. In my class, no entertainment will be there. No unwanted, non-academic discussions will be there from my end. Even in the live chat also, if you discuss something other than non-academics, I will block you. Simple and straight. A class should be like a class. The way I am teaching to you in live class, you should feel that sir is there in front of me and teaching. Right? Second key point. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. A cube plus b cube, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. Right? A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. It is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. Now we will do some practice problems. First one, remainder of 9 power 123 plus 7 power 123 divided by 16. 9 power 123 plus 7 power 123 divided by 16. You can use it in two methods. Method 1. 16 ones are 16. Negative remainder minus 7. Minus 7 power 123 plus 7 power 123. Answer is 0. 16 ones are 16. Minus 7 power 123 plus 7 power 123. It is cancelled. Method 2. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. 123 is an odd number. So answer for this question is 0 by using a power n plus b power n concept. A power n plus b power n concept. Now, second question. Remainder 1. 2 power 2007 plus 1 divided by 3. 2 power 2007 plus 1 when divided by 3. This is nothing but a power 2 power 2007 plus 1 power 2007. A power n plus b power n is divisible by 3. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Third one. 43 power 101 plus 27 power 101 divided by 70. Divided by 70. Again the answer is 0. Why? Because a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. If n is odd. Now, practice problems we did it. Now we will do exercise problems. 8 to 10 problems based upon this model. 8 to 10 problems based upon this model. Now see here. Exercise problems. Pure content based channel, sir. Pure content based channel. Now see, first question. Problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. Problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. 7 power 6n minus 6 power 6n. This can be written as 7 cube power 2n minus 6 cube power 2n. 2n is an even number. If n is a natural number, it is always divisible by a minus b. And it is also divisible by a plus b. Why? Because power is an even number. 343 minus 216. It is 127. 343 plus 216, which is 559. Number is divisible by 127 and 559. 559 is nothing but 13 fours are 52. 13 into 43. It is also divisible by 13. Answer for this question is all. Answer for this question is all. 7 cube power 2n minus 6 cube power 2n. A power n minus b power n. It is always divisible by a minus b and a plus b. A minus b power could be any natural number. In specific, it is a plus b because power is an even number. 2n is an even number. 343 minus 216, which is 127. 343 plus 216, it is 559. Number is divisible by 559 and 127. 559 is also divisible by 13. Or if you want, you can also do like this. 7 square power 3n minus 6 square power 3n. 49 minus 36. It is divisible by 13. It is divisible by 13. Idea clear? First problem. Answer is all of this. First problem. Answer is all of this. Few more problems based upon this model. Few more problems. Second one. Same model. One more practice question. 6 power 6n minus 5 power 6n. 6 cube power 2n minus 5 cube power 2n. A power n minus b power n. Power is a natural number. It is divisible by a minus b. Power is an even number. It is divisible by a plus b. 216 minus 125. Answer is 91. 216 plus 125. Answer is 341. It is divisible by 91 and 341. So you can also write it as 6 square power 3n minus 5 square power 3n. 36 minus 25. It is divisible by 11. 36 minus 25. It is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 91. It is also divisible by 341. Again, the answer for this question is all of this. Answer for this question is all of this. Second question. I hope it is clear. Second one. I hope it is clear. Third question. Third one. Second, I hope it is clear. Third one. Reminder 1. 16 power 3 plus 19 power 3. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. 16 power 3 plus 19 power 3. It is divisible by 35. A plus b. 17 power 3 plus 18 power 3. A plus b. It is divisible by 35. So, looking at a question, first and last divisible by 35. Second and second last divisible by 35. So, it is divisible by 35. Next, 16 is an even number, even power anything. 17 is an odd number, odd power anything. 18 is an even number. 19 it is an odd number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. So, numerator is divisible by 35 and an even number into some number. 35 into even number divisible by 70. Remainder is 0. 35 into even, it is 70. 70 into any number divided by 70. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. 16 plus 19 divisible by 35. 17 plus 18, it is divisible by 35. I will again come back to this question. This is method 1. I will tell you one more method. Method 1. First and last is divisible by 35. Second and second last is divisible by 35. So, it is 35. This is 35. 16 is even. 17 is odd. 18 is even. 19 is odd. Even plus odd, odd. Even plus odd, odd. Odd plus odd is an even number. This is also divisible by even. 35 and even. Answer is nothing but 0. Answer is nothing but 0. Next one. 74 power 13 minus 41 power 13. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. 74 power 13 minus 41 power 13 is divisible by 74 minus 41, which is 33. 75 power 13 minus 42 power 13, it is divisible by 33. Again, it is because of a power n minus b power n. 74 is an even number. Even power any number is even. 41 is an odd number. 75 is an odd number. 42 is an even number. Even minus odd, it is an odd number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. It is an even number. That means numerator is divisible by 33 and an even number into something divided by 66. 66 divided by 66. Remainder is 0. 74 is an even number. 41 is an odd number. Even minus odd, it is an odd number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Numerator, it is an even number and divisible by even number and divisible by 33, right? So even number into 33, 66 into any number divided by 66. Answer remainder is 0. Fourth problem, I hope it is clear. Fifth problem, remainder 1 power 13 and 60 power 13. We will write it neatly. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. N is an odd number. This concept we will apply again. 1 power 13 plus 60 power 13. It is divisible by 61, which is 1 plus 60. 2 power 13 plus 59 power 13. Again divisible by 61. Last case, 30 power 31, 13 plus 31 power 13. Again divisible by 61. 61. Answer for this question is 0. Directly you can say it is 0 because of another concept that also I will explain. There are 60 values are there. There are 60 values are there. There are 30 whose complement is will add up to 61. There is 30 and another 30 if I add, I will get 61. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b when n is an odd number. When n is an odd number. When n is an odd number. I will twist this question. Anybody who wantedly I kept this question because you will fumble this question. Most likely students will, in a hurry they will tell 0 because the previous question is 0. Don't do this mistake. Reminder 1, 22 and 88. From 22 to 23 power 3 and so on up to 88 power 3. 22 to 88. Total 67 values are there. Previous question it is even number of values. So 22 power 3 plus 88 power 3. It is divisible by 110. What is the concept that I am using here? A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. 23 power 3 plus 87 power 3. It is divisible by 110 and so on up to 54 power 3 plus 56 power 3. It is also divisible by 110. One value is left in the numerator. What is that value? 55 cube. Remaining all will cancel out to be 110. 55 cube divided by 110 is 55 into 2. 55 cube by 55, it will become 55 square divided by 2. Odd number divided by 2, 1. These for 55 square. 55 cube is 1 into 55, 55. 1 into 55, 55. I hope you have understood the difference between question number 6 and question number 5. In question number 6, odd number of values are there. Here 33, here 33 and in between 1. This 33 will get closed with 33. Remaining one value is left. What is that value? 55 cube. 110 is 55 into 2. 50 square divided by 2. It is odd number divided by 2. It is 1. 1 is for 55 square. But I want for 55 cube. Another 55 is multiplied. 1 into 55 is 55. I hope it is clear to you. One more, few more problems. 3 power 444. plus 4 power 333 divided by 5. This can be written as remainder of 3 power 4 power triple 1 plus 4 power 3 power triple 1 divided by 5. This is nothing but 81 power triple 1 plus 64 power triple 1 divided by 5. You can do it in multiple methods. Method 1. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. So it is divisible by 145. 145 is 5 into 29. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. One way to do. One way to do. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b. Right if n is an odd number. Method 1. Method 2. Method 2. Praveen, if phone charging. Method 2. Negative remainder concept. Negative remainder concept. 5 16s are 80. Positive remainder is 1. 5 13s are 65. Negative remainder is minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Either you can use a power n plus b power n divisible by a plus b, or you can use negative remainder. 3 power 4 power triple 1, 4 cube power triple 1. 81 by 5. 5 16s are 80. Remainder 1. 5 13s are 65. Minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next one. Already we did this question. Answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Ninth question. Eighth one. I hope it is clear. Ninth one. Please write down a note. This is the concept which I wanted to explain. Note. If k is an odd number, if k is an odd number, a1, a2, a3, if these elements are in arithmetic progression, if these elements are in arithmetic progression, if these elements are in arithmetic progression, then a1 power k plus a2 power k plus a3 power k and so on up to an power k is always divisible by a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on up to an. If k is an odd number and the base values are in arithmetic progression, a1, a2, a3, if they are in arithmetic progression, a1 power k plus a2 power k plus a3 power k and so on up to an power k is always divisible by the sum of the bases. One example. If n equivalent to 5, 1 power 5 plus 3 power 5 or n equivalent to 3 we will take smaller value. N equivalent to 3. N equivalent to 3. If n equivalent to 3, 1 power 3 plus 3 power 3 plus 5 power 3. Check what is the value. This is 1. This is 27. This is 125. This is 153. Is 153 divisible by sum of the bases? 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9. Yes, because sum of the digits is 9. If k is an odd number, if k is an odd number and the bases are in arithmetic progression and the bases are in arithmetic progression. A1 power k, A2 power k, and so on up to an power k is always divisible by A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on up to an, and so on up to an, and so on up to an. I will use this in another problems also. Now let us solve this question. 39 is an odd number. 1 power 39, 2 power 39, 3 power 39, and so on up to 12 power 39. The base values are 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 12. This series is in arithmetic progression. This is in arithmetic progression. If it is in arithmetic progression and the power is an odd number, it is divisible by the sum of the bases. Summation 12. Summation n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this will become 12 into 12 plus 1 by 2, which is 78. 78 is 2 into 39. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. If the power is an odd number, 1 power 39, 2 power 39, 12 power 39, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 12. They are in arithmetic progression. So it is divided by the sum of the bases. Summation 12. Summation 12 is summation sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. 12 into 13 by 2, 78. 78 is 2 into 39. So it is divisible by 39. Where is the another question? Now see here. Please see here. You don't need to do all this. 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 22, 23, 24 till 88. Till 88. Is it clear? Right? 22, 22. That is starting from 1. That is starting from 1. 22, 23, 28 and so on. Starting from 1. Here it is 22 to 88. 22 to 88. 67 values are there. 67 values are there. Previous question. Please see it. This one. This is what I was telling the difference. Here 1, 2, 3 till 60. It is summation 60. Summation 60. 60 into 61 by 2. It is divisible by 61. Answer 0. Answer 0. I hope it is clear. Similarly here, it is divisible by 22, 23 till 88. The series is in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression here. I told you that sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. But here it is n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus last term. Use this concept. Use this concept. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Right? Next one. Use this concept. Don't use n into n plus 1 by 2. These also we can use the logic. This we can use the logic. Here also we can use the logic. 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. I think you may get a doubt in this. So I think I will see here. Now you might say, sir, answer is coming to be 0. 22 plus 23 plus 24 and so on up to 88. Answer is not 0. 22 plus 88 is 110. 23 plus 87 is 110. 22 88. 23 87 and so on up to 54 56. One is left, that is 55. Don't forget this 55. Otherwise you might get this doubt. I hope the idea is clear. Maybe you might do a silly mistake and think from where it is happening. Next one, 16 power 3 is odd. 16, 17, 18, 19. 35, 35. Answer is divisible by 70. So the remainder for this question is 0. Remainder for this question is 0. I hope it is clear. A power n plus or minus b power n concept. A power n plus or minus b power n concept. Now see here. This problem I can do it in two methods. Method 1 and method 2. Method 2. 7 is an odd number. 7 is an odd number. 1, 2, 3 till 100. It is in arithmetic progression. So it is divisible by summation 100. Summation 100 is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2. N equivalent to 1 to n. 250s are 101. 100. 50 is 2 into 50 into 101. 2 multiplied by 101. It becomes 2 not 2. So answer for this question is 0 because 100 is 2 into 50. 2 into 50 into 101. 2 into 101. It is divisible by 202. It is divisible by 202. Anil sir, I forgot this logic. You can also use this logic. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. See here, 1 power 7 plus 100 power 7. It is divisible by 101. 2 power 7 plus 99 power 7. It is divisible by 101. 50 power 7 plus 51 power 7. It is divisible by 101. Total 100 values are there. How many times I will get 101? 1 and 100 I will get 101. 2 and 99 I will get 101. 3 and 98 I will get 101. 50 101s I will get. 50 101s I will get. 2 into 25 into 101. 2 into 101. It is divisible by 202. Answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. I hope the idea is clear. Praveen, mobile isko. I hope this idea is clear to you. 10th one. Now, I will repeat entire reminders. Entire reminders. What are all the models which we discussed? All the models which we discussed. First we discussed negative remainder concept. Then we discussed Euler's theorem concept. Then we discussed how to find out the digital sum using the Euler's theorem concept. Then we discussed Fermat's theorem concept. Fermat's theorem concept. Negative remainder is for both prime and a composite number. Euler's theorem is for a composite number. Is for a composite number. Fermat's theorem, it is for a prime number. Then we discussed any non-zero digit. Any non-zero digit written p minus 1 times is always divisible by p. P not equivalent to 2, 3 and 5. Then we discussed Chinese remainder theorem. Then we discussed how to solve the questions using answer options. Then we discussed how to solve the questions using equation method. Equation method. Then we discussed a power n minus b power n concept. Then we discussed a power n plus b power n concept. Then k is an odd number. A1, A2 till n. All are in AP related problems. These entire concepts we have discussed. How many students have attended all the sessions of reminder? Please reply in the live chat. Total approximately how many problems we did only on reminders? Only on reminders. How many problems we did? Can somebody who has attended all the sessions kindly reply? Kindly reply. Kindly reply. How many questions approximately we did only on reminders? There is no need for you to refer any book on reminders. There is no need to refer any book on reminder. Approximately how many problems we did in reminders? Students, please mention approximately. Is it 100 or 150? Right, yesterday night only we discussed 40 to 50 problems. All these concepts we have discussed. Not a single doubt. You will get it. You will get it in any of my class. Concept is the king. Relevant, exam oriented, everything structured, thematic based learning.